The Python M switch is a switch you can use when you're running a Python module, and it means it will run your module as a script. So for example, the calendar module has functionality that you can run with the M switch. So if you just type python-m calendar, you will see a calendar for the year you're currently in. So that's 2022 as of this recording. And you can see, for example, today is the 5th of September, which is a Monday. Now you can also run this, for example, with the year and the month, and it will give you that specific month of the year. Another example is from the standard library is the timeit module that you can use to time the execution of pieces of code. So for example, if I just type in here the sum of the range of, I don't know, 100,000, this will run this piece of code a bunch of times, and it will find out how much time it takes to run this. And another nice example that I like, but that's not from the standard library, is the reach module. So the reach module has a series of submodules, and usually they decided that when you run those submodules with the M flag, it will give you an example of what that submodule does. So for example, if you run python-m reach palette, you will see a palette of colors that your terminal supports. Or if you run, say, python-m reach progress, you will see an example of how their progress bars work. So if you implement a Python module, if you develop any Python module, consider if it makes sense to give them a command line interface and or just some functionality that can be ran directly from the command line with the -m switch.